Today on the programme, we have a subject that I know interests a lot of listeners, especially younger listeners. Why are some people popular, and is there anything I can do to be more popular? One of our listeners, 15-year-old Jenny from Bristol, wrote us an email asking this question, and Dr. Lee, a child psychologist, is here today to try and answer it. Dr. Lee, a lot of teenagers would like to be more popular. Why is this?
Well, it's always the popular people who seem to have the best time, isn't it? They are often outgoing, with a lot of friends. They may be in sports teams, and they are invited to all the parties.
Yes, captain of the sports team, class president. These positions are always held by the most popular kids in the school. So those who are popular are likely to be members of a team, right? But what does this mean about a person?
Well, people who belong to teams naturally enjoy working with others, and being in a team is a very social activity.
Yes, you're right, and sporty people are probably more healthy and may also be better looking than others, right? Does that also play a role?
Well, it is true that appearance can be part of what makes someone popular, but it's not the most important thing.
So what is the most important thing?
I would say the way you behave, and luckily, this is something you can change. For example, there are some things that popular people do that you can copy. You have to work on your people skills.
What does that mean?
Well, basically, a person with people skills is able to get on well with other people. Instead of worrying about what people think of you, you start showing an interest in others. It's important not to try too hard and to be yourself. Also, don't imagine you haven't got anything to say. You'll find most people are quite happy to have a chat about their favorite television program, for example. You need to learn to chat about the weather and other ordinary things. In other words, to make small talk with people. It's not really what you say that matters as much as the social contact. If you don't make an effort to talk, people will think you're unfriendly. To show that you are friendly, just say hello and smile at people. If they don't smile back, well then, they are the unfriendly ones.
You mentioned appearance earlier. Can changing your appearance help?
It's a sad fact that we do judge people by their looks. Just by taking a bit of care with the way you look has a positive effect on your confidence, and that is something that others notice. Start by making sure you have clean clothes and a haircut that suits you, and don't forget to smile. People who look miserable are the ones we usually avoid. Everyone is attracted to positive energy.
Do you think that popular people are happier?
Well, yes, because being lonely or unpopular is something that can make people unhappy. Popular people of all ages get on with everyone. For example, the popular teens in school are on good terms not only with the other kids, but also with the teachers and the other staff. Their interest in others and their ability to listen and communicate means that they will always have lots of friends. Don't forget, though, that it is the quality of the friendship that counts, not just the quantity of friends.
Yes, and that brings us to the question of friendship itself. George, a listener from Wales, has written to us about this.